Welcome to Best Sellers Market, where we bring you the top products making waves in the world of Amazon. Today, we're diving into the realm of parts washers, exploring the very best sellers in this essential category. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, we've got the top picks to help you keep your tools and parts spotless and efficient. Without further ado, let's get started. Introducing number 5 on our list of top-selling parts washers, the JEGS 81603 Portable Parts Washer Cart. This powerhouse is designed to tackle your toughest cleaning jobs with unmatched efficiency. With its robust 20-gallon tank, this washer provides ample capacity to handle a variety of cleaning tasks. Despite its generous size, it boasts a solvent capacity of 12 gallons, ensuring that you're not overwhelmed but still have plenty of cleaning power at your disposal. Operating on 110/120V, the JEGS 81603 delivers a pump output of 317 gallons per hour, making it an excellent choice for both light and heavy-duty cleaning. This high performance is complemented by a drying shelf equipped with a drain, allowing for convenient drying of parts and preventing the accumulation of waste. The JEGS 81603 combines mobility with functionality. Its portable cart design allows for easy movement around your workspace, making it a versatile tool in any workshop or garage. Whether you're dealing with grease, grime, or dirt, this washer provides a comprehensive solution, ensuring that your parts are spotless and ready for their next use. Ready to upgrade your cleaning game? The JEGS 81603 Portable Parts Washer Cart is a reliable choice that delivers exceptional performance, making it a standout option in the world of parts washers. At number 4 in our countdown of top-selling parts washers is the Red Sun Parts Washer, a versatile, heavy-duty solution that brings precision and power to your cleaning routine. With its 20-gallon cabinet and electric solvent pump, this washer is engineered for automotive enthusiasts and professionals alike. It's not just about size, it's about smart design and efficiency. The Red Sun features a flow-through parts brush with a 180-degree rotating nozzle, designed specifically for circulating washing. Imagine having a 28-inch long tube with a flexible metal nozzle, perfect for directing cleaning agents exactly where they're needed. Safety is paramount with the Red Sun. The unit includes a self-locking fuse that automatically seals the lid if the temperature exceeds safe limits, protecting you and your workspace. Plus, the removable basket is perfect for storing small parts, making organization and retrieval a breeze. What sets the Red Sun apart is its eco-friendly approach to cleaning. The cleaning fluid is recycled through the high-flow pump, which has a built-in filter to remove impurities, ensuring longevity and efficiency. Speaking of efficiency, this parts washer boasts a 514 GPM pump, designed to tackle screws, bearings, gaskets, and more with swift precision. Constructed from sturdy steel and coated with an anti-rust finish, the Red Sun is built to withstand the rigors of any working environment. Just remember, it's best to avoid volatile solvents like gasoline to keep this washer performing at its best. For a top-tier parts washer that combines power, safety, and sustainability, the Red Sun Parts Washer stands out as a dependable choice for automotive and industrial cleaning tasks. In the number 3 spot of our countdown, we present the BIG RED AXH-PPW5GR Torin, a game-changer in the world of portable parts washers. Designed with flexibility and efficiency in mind, this washer is perfect for those who need a reliable solution for degreasing small parts and tools. This portable powerhouse is ingeniously designed to fit seamlessly with your standard 5-gallon bucket, which is not included but easily available. It's all about simplicity and effectiveness. Compatible with any non-corrosive water-based cleaning solution, the AXH-PPW5GR allows you to control the flow velocity with a convenient switch on the water pump, giving you precision in every task. The heart of this washer is its high-frequency, waterproof submersible pump paired with a robust flow-through hard bristle brush. This dynamic duo ensures that caked-on dirt and grime are effectively removed, leaving your parts sparkling clean. Plus, its unique channel drainage system captures waste material and cycles clean water, ensuring optimal performance and minimal mess. portability is where the BIG RED AXH-PPW5GR truly shines. Its compact design makes it easy to carry and move from your garage to your home or workshop. The simple operation ensures that even the toughest cleaning jobs are handled efficiently, making it a versatile tool for any environment. And if you encounter any issues, don't worry. The BIG RED AXH-PPW5GR comes with a 1-year warranty and dedicated customer service ready to assist with any troubleshooting needs. For a portable, effective, and user-friendly parts washer, the BIG RED AXH-PPW5GR Torin is a top contender in the market, offering both convenience and powerful cleaning capabilities. Are you enjoying the countdown of the top-selling parts washers on Amazon? Well, don't let your enthusiasm go to waste. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon like a pro mechanic tightening bolts, so you never miss an update. At number 2 in our countdown of the top parts washers, we have the Jack Boss Parts Washer, a standout choice for those who demand both portability and efficiency. This compact and robust washer boasts a 3.5-gallon fluid reservoir, ideal for handling smaller parts with ease. Whether you're cleaning wheel bearings, gears, or carburetors, the Jack Boss has you covered. It features a 110V electric pump that recycles liquid at a rate of half a gallon per minute, ensuring a steady flow for thorough cleaning. Designed with convenience in mind, this lightweight steel cabinet can be effortlessly moved to wherever your cleaning needs take you. Its compact benchtop design makes it perfect for tight spaces, while its sturdy construction ensures durability. Safety is a priority with the Jack Boss. It includes a hinged, fusible link lid that automatically closes when the washer is not in use, helping to prevent accidental fires. For added peace of mind, the washer comes with a 1-year limited manufacturer warranty. Measuring 18 inches wide by 13.5 inches deep and 9 inches high, the work basin is perfectly sized for those intricate parts. Just remember, this washer is not intended for use with flammable or combustible solvents, including mineral spirits and biodegradable cleaners. The Jack Boss Parts Washer is the perfect blend of portability, safety, and performance, making it an excellent choice for efficient small-scale cleaning tasks. Topping our countdown at number 1 is the BIG RED TAM 10035 Torin Portable Steel Cabinet Parts Washer. A true marvel of functionality and design, this parts washer excels with its 3.5-gallon fluid reservoir, perfect for handling your small-scale cleaning tasks. Whether you're tackling wheel bearings, gears, or carburetors, the BIG RED TAM 10035 delivers with its 110V electric pump, which efficiently recycles liquid at a rate of half a gallon per minute. This means consistent, effective cleaning every time. Its compact benchtop design is ideal for confined spaces, yet it's built to handle a variety of tasks with ease. The durable steel construction ensures longevity and reliability, while its lightweight nature allows for effortless relocation. No matter where your cleaning needs take you, this washer adapts seamlessly. Safety is at the forefront of its design. The hinged, fusible link lid automatically closes when not in use, providing an added layer of protection against accidental fires. And for your peace of mind, the BIG RED TAM 10035 comes with a 1-year limited manufacturer warranty. With work basin dimensions of 18 inches wide, 13.5 inches deep, and 9 inches high, it's perfectly sized for handling a range of parts. Just keep in mind that it's not suitable for use with flammable or combustible solvents such as mineral spirits and biodegradable cleaners. For a versatile, reliable, and safe parts washer that stands out from the crowd, the BIG RED TAM 10035 Torin is the top choice for all your cleaning needs. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the top-selling parts washers on Amazon. To keep up with all the best sellers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Also, check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.